Although it's ugly, I like this painting. Although it's kind of ugly, I still like this painting. Even though it's bad for me, I like to drink pop. I like to eat junk food, even though it gives me heartburn. Even though my phone is ringing, I'm not going to answer it.
What am I doing with my life? I just want to connect. Why can't I connect with people? Oh, right. It's because I'm dead.
Hi. Oh, hi guys. What are you doing here?
We are going to have lunch. Do you want to join us?
Oh, not now. I'm not hungry. Besides, I have to finish this first.
I wish I could introduce myself, but I don't remember my name. I think it started with an R.